Hey everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to clean out the drain pipes under your kitchen sink. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, removing the pipes, clearing the clog, and putting everything back together. Step 1. Diagnosing the problem. So, here's the issue: this side of the sink isn't draining well, but the other side is working just fine. That actually gives us a clue about where the clog might be. Let's take a look under the sink. If you check underneath, you'll see that the right sink has its own P-trap. That's this U-shaped pipe right here, separate from the left sink. Both sides eventually drain into the main line in the back. Since the left side is draining normally, the clog is likely between the right basin and this section here, most likely inside the P-trap. Step 2. Prepping for removal. Before we start, make sure you've got a large container or bucket big enough to hold a sink full of water, heavy-duty gloves, a wrench just in case things are tight. I also recommend clearing out the cabinet area and placing some towels or paper down just in case things get messy. Step 3. Removing the P-trap. We're going to start by loosening the slip nuts. These are the plastic rings connecting the pipes. Most newer PVC pipes like these can be unscrewed by hand. Turn the nuts counterclockwise. If you're dealing with older metal pipes, be careful, they can be brittle or corroded. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to call a professional plumber. The upper nut on mine is a bit tight, so I'm using an adjustable wrench. Once it loosens, the whole P-trap should slide off easily. Just be ready for the smell, it's not pleasant. Step 4. Cleaning the trap. And yep, this one's completely clogged with congealed fat and food debris, super common in kitchen sinks. If you've got a flexible bottle brush or pipe cleaner, use it now to scrub out all the gunk. I'm sacrificing one of my dish brushes for this and I'll be tossing it afterward. You do not want to reuse this for anything else. Once it's mostly clear, I'm heading to my laundry room to rinse the trap out with hot water. That helps remove any leftover grease or grime. Step 5. Reassembling the pipes. Now that the trap is clean, let's put everything back together. Line up the pipes and tighten the slip nuts clockwise. You don't need plumber's tape for this part, just make sure it's snug and secure. Step 6. Testing everything. Time to test. Turn on the faucet and let the water run. No leaks, draining properly, perfect. Job well done. Wrap up. So that's it, a simple, effective way to clear a clogged kitchen sink by cleaning out the P-trap. It's a great DIY project if you're comfortable with some light plumbing work. If you found this helpful, feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home maintenance tips.